STI.
Gay!
Michael, what are we doing today?
We are installing this AIG oil separator. Hopefully it'll help get oil out from the intercooler and just keep it in the car.
Why'd you get red?
Because it's a race car.
I didn't know STIs were even considered fast. Pretty sure it's slower than my 240.
More red, more fast, plus 5 HP.
Our local Subaru expert, Tua,
I think you paid too much.
said this is gonna take us 4 hours. I got 9:38 p.m. Let's see how fast we can do it. MakeShift always finds a way to get it done, so.
And I'm sleepy.
What's everyone's like expected time? What do you think?
3:20.
What do you think, Michael?
11:30.
I'm going for midnight. We gotta shut Tua up. Knows too much.
Step 1, pop the hood. Step 2, get the part. Step 3, install the part.
Dang.
That was easy.
Hiding. Don't be shy.
Intercooler off.
So what were your guys' prediction again?
Yeah, Chin. You said 11:30.
So it's 11:45 and we're a little past halfway. So slight miscalculation on my part, but we did lose a screw in the tray and that took like 30 minutes.
Yeah.
3:20, 3:20.
So far, Zoo's winning at 3:20. I said midnight.
With the power of editing, we can change it back from what I said.
Dave got here a few minutes late. Dave, what do you think? We started at 9:40. Our local Subaru expert, Tua,
It's a rare part, so I got 2 just in case.
said 4 hours. This is MakeShift. We always take twice as long. What do you think?
We're not gonna finish tonight.
Damn!
Oh my
Savage.
gosh.
If you see us on 85 North, don't race us because we obey the law. Plus, STIs are slow. So, it's 12:53. My guess was 12. I lose. Zoo is next at what? 3:20. And Dave said we weren't going to finish tonight.
Right.
I hope Zoo wins.
For our sake.
So we'll see. Wish us luck. MakeShift is done. Dang. Look at that. Our local Subaru expert, Tua,
Getting that for cheaper.
quoted an end time of 1:38. Zoo, do the honors. What time is it? Yeah, we suck. Okay.
I think it's gonna be 314 horsepower, 346
Torque.
I'm sorry, torque.
314, 346.
Yeah.
310.
310. 310.
Nice. Something's wrong. Zoo, you got a guess?
300, 350.
Chin, what do you think?
400.
Hey, call me a hater. I'm gonna go for the Dave special. Goal is 300, get 299. 299 horsepower, 307 torque.
So I think 309 for torque. Honda power like 190 something. For torque, 300.
Hey, he said he's just gonna put the rear wheels on the dyno. Is that slow? There's no point in a dyno in the front one. Only the front, got
I'm
it.
gonna roll the front on and then jack up the rear so it's just hanging in the air.
All right, let's see those numbers in the single digits. Oh, it's gone. Where is it?
Right there. Look.
I can't read it. Oh,
Are you colorblind?
I could be. Holy shit.
That's 309
Wait, you have 309 for what?
for horsepower. My torque is way off.
Yeah.
Sounds like his car farted.